Give a thumbs up if you liked this hair tutorial, and let's get started. So we are going to start this hairstyle out with a French braid, and you're going to do that by splitting the hair into 3 equal sections and cross the front section over the middle, and then you're going to cross the back section over the middle. Then you're going to cross the front section over the middle again and add in a section of hair near your hairline. And then you're going to cross the back section over the middle and add in a piece of hair next to your part. And then once again, you're going to cross the front section over the middle section, add in a piece of hair, and then you're going to cross the back section over the middle section and add in a piece of hair. And you're just going to continue these steps until it gets all the way back to the crown of your head. I like to keep my ears covered when I'm doing this hairstyle. And also I have a tutorial on how to French braid. It is in the description below, so be sure to go check that out if you need a little refresher course. Then once you've reached the crown of your head, you are just going to go ahead and do a simple 3-strand braid all the way down, and then you're going to tie it off with an elastic. And then you're going to gently pull at the edges of the braid to make them look more full and flat and beautiful. This is called pancaking, and it's seriously one of my favorite parts. And then you're just going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Do a French braid and a 3-strand braid, tie it off, and pancake it. Then you're going to take one braid, cross it over behind your head, and then you're going to pin it into place with the bobby pins. And these bobby pins are amazing, guys. This is not a sponsored post at all for Sally's, but they hold really well. I only use 2. And then you're going to take the other braid, cross it over the first braid, and pin it into place with your bobby pins. Then you're going to take out the clear elastics that were holding your braids in place and just run your fingers through that section of hair to make it not braided anymore. And I noticed when I